Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. On the bench today we have the AMPROBE AT-6010-T. This is a advanced wire tracer that was put out by AMPROBE. It was made available to the market according to the manual 2019, and it's still in rotation to this day. They have several models of this AMPROBE, of this advanced wire tracer. This is more like the lower one in between. Yeah, more like the lower one. The other one have more of a color display on it than this one, but everything else it's just about the same. Do it works? That's the thing. But that's the question. Does it work? Before I answer that question, guys, let me ask you to, if you enjoy my channel, if you enjoy watching the tools that I review or talk about, I'm gonna ask you to support the channel and subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow. You can do that by, as you're watching the video now, you can hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell right next to the word subscribe, and it's for free. And it's kind of like giving me a handshake, letting me know that you do approve of what I'm doing, and you approve of and you enjoy the videos that I put out, and and the tools that you get to see, the new tools that you get to see. You can you can post a comment if you choose to, and I will answer, and you can share the video. All that would be in support of the channel. Okay. Now, as I was saying about this wire tracer, advanced wire tracer, it works. It does work. I can say that. I haven't seen many on the market. A lot of other companies has come out with them since then. In fact, Fluke just came out with one. Fluke owns AMPROBE. So the one Fluke just came out with looks exactly like this one, but it's yellow. The Fluke trademark color is yellow. I'm not going to say it's better than this. I'm not going to say it's worse than this. But when Fluke took over AMPROBE a long time ago, and I'm sure that whether they're selling Fluke products or AMPROBE products, they want to put the best stuff out. So I don't know how good it is. I'm going to say all of them about the same. I don't know how many series that they're making. Like, this is the lower end model, and they have a higher end model. But I did see that they do have one out. Now, are these things useful? I do. I really do. If you're doing, if you're in electrical business, and you're looking, you're gonna run across problems like that, whereas you're trying to locate wire, and it may be a long run, maybe a little bit deeper than usual, but this is a tool for the job. So let me just get into some of the features that they have. As you see on this transmitter right here, they have a high and low feature on here. That's just about it. They have a battery indicator to let you know if the battery is low. It takes 6 AA batteries, and this one takes 4 AA batteries. The receiver, I'm sorry, takes 4 AA batteries. Now, this one, as you get close to the wire, if you're on the wire, let's just say like that, the numbers will rise up. The closer you get to the wire, the closer it gets to the sound, this transmitter sending out a signal, the closer that this picks it up, the higher the number goes. So, but it does work. It does work. I can say that. When I first bought it, how much did I pay for it? I want to say I paid like $400, maybe a little bit over, almost $500 for it when it first came out. Now, since so many people on the market making them, and I don't know how good they are, the other companies, but I think the price may have dropped just a little. I'm not sure, but inflation I'm no telling, probably went up. But I do recommend you getting yourself one of these. It don't have to be this brand; it could be another brand. But I recommend that you get yourself an advanced wire tracer, because if you're making a living off of your electrical work, you're going to run into that problem one day, and you want to be prepared for it. Let me see what else I can tell you. That's really about it. You get a hard, well, you don't get a hard case when you buy this one, but it just so happened to find one hard case online, and I purchased it to put this in. You get an array of an array of all kind of accessories. Let me just show you some accessories that I've added to it. 1 second. Let's see. Be with you in a second. Okay, here we go. I bought this ground steak myself right here to add to it. Let me just show you what that does. I bought this to put in the ground to add to it when I'm searching for wire outdoors. Okay, let me just back up just a little so you can get a good look at what I'm putting out. Okay, these alligator clips, right? Croc clips right here. They're large croc clips. And let me see, get this long grounding cable right here to ground to that or any other metal you can find. You get these leads right here. You get this one, this gray one right here. You get this plug right here to plug in the wall. And let's see, there's something else. Let's see what else. Oh, I forgot to mention. I bought this also for it. I bought this, and this is the other plug right here. Depends on where you're living at. If you're living in the UK or what have you, that's the other 2 plugs. But since I live in the USA, I use the blade type. And I'm looking for my other blade type, which I don't see. And I have it. Oh, here it is. This is the blade right here. That's the blade that goes with that. And that's the UK, that's the US, United States, and here in America what we use. And if you live in somewhere else, one of the like UK or something, I guess y'all use the round plug, and that would be for. But it is a nice tracer, guys. And you know, if you find one and it's in good condition, it works well, it looks well, I recommend you get yourself one. Again, I tell you, you don't have to be this one. It could be another brand, but let it be a reputable brand. But you won't regret it. Okay. So, and plug it in, it plugs into the top right here. And let me just show you, the transmitter is on. There you go. See how the numbers going up? Let me put it on high right quick. Okay. See how close you get? I just put it on high. And that's how it is. Even though I'm far away, I'm getting 31. As I get close to it, it goes up. It's a pretty decent tester, guys. I don't regret it at all, making that purchase. So, that's all I can say about it. If I've gotten something that you wanted me to say, you wished I would have said, I didn't, apologize for that. But you could do the research on it. I just gave you the nameplate. It's AMPROBE AT-6010-T. It's the advanced wire tracer. Okay? Guys, you take care. I hope you enjoyed the little video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm out.